Hello everyone and welcome to the first ever GrumpyMan's Reviews YouTube tips and tricks videos. I still will be doing my reviews, but in addition to that I'm doing this to help my YouTube friends. As we all know, by 20th February, if you don't have the required watch time and the subscribers, your channel won't be eligible for monetization. So today I thought I'll do a video on how to get more watch time. The first thing I'll suggest is live streams. That's the best way. As long as you can keep the live stream going, the more people that join in, you will accumulate a lot of watch time. Second is all about SEO, search engine optimization. That's the best way. Make videos what people are actually looking for, because YouTube is the second biggest search engine after Google. So as you can see here, I've put in Karcher SC3 steam cleaner and I rank first for that. Then there's my BMW video, I rank first for that as well. So what you do is use Google's auto suggest feature. So like I've got a scene there, say tells you how to make a cake at home. So say if you were to pick one of them words, if you were to pick how to make a cake, I'm using my Karcher video as an example here, you'd keep that will be your keyword. So you put that in the title. Like here I've put the Karcher SC3 steam cleaner review and demonstration. I've put that in the title. I've also put that in my video description. I've put in a number of times Karcher SC3, and I've also used the same tags. Now by doing that, every time someone searches your video, Google will recommend your video. Like look at this video here, that's got a lot more views than mine, but mine still ranks higher because I've tagged mine, description, everything. I've done it properly. So that's the first thing. So you've got to definitely remember to do that. Put the keyword everywhere. Second thing is make playlists so people can go on to watch other videos from you, but put them in an official playlist. But remember, once you make an official playlist, you cannot put that video into another playlist. You can only put it into the official playlist. Put cards in your videos so viewers can go watch other videos of yours. And I don't need to say this, but I'll still say make good thumbnails. The other thing, share your videos, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, wherever. Get your friends, family to share your videos. The more people that watch it, the more watch time you get. And then the other thing, this is just a bonus tip, reply back to comments, because if someone is taking the time out to watch your video and leave a comment underneath it, the least we can do is comment back. It's just a nice thing to do. That was my very first video on how to get more views. If you found the video useful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe, because I will be doing more videos like this, as I will be doing my reviews as well. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.